we have seen the earlier phase of democracy. Let's move to the recent phase. As far as the recent phase is concerned, most of the Latin American countries have struggled and established democracy. And all this has been made possible because of the disintegration of the Soviet Union. As the Soviet Union helped and promoted communist government in these countries. If we look at the countries around us, that is our neighbors, then Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, all these countries have established democracies. Of course, there have been certain hitches, but whether it is General Musharraf or it is the King of Nepal, they have played dirty in between. So, we can say that in these countries there is democracy establishment and then a coup by a military dictator and restoration of democracy led again by some coup, which means they have yet to establish a permanent democratic government in their country, that is a stable democracies. If we take the example of one country, Myanmar, which was earlier called as Burma, it became independent in the year 1948 and established democracy in the country. Till the year 1962, it was a democratic country, but then a coup took place and a military dictator became the head of the country. Again, the elections were held in 1990, wherein the National League for Democracy, headed by Aung San Suu Kyi, won the elections. But the irony was that after winning elections too, the previous military government, the dictatorial government, did not let it come to power, and she was put under house arrest. But she continued her campaign from there itself, and the people became uprooted from their homes. They had to run away here and there. There has been a struggle, a movement, looking forward to a popular government democracy, but still democracy has not been established in Myanmar. Of course, the efforts of Aung San Suu Kyi have paid some results in the form of her winning the Nobel Peace Prize. But this is in fact the true example of many Asian countries which yet are looking forward to establishing a strong, popular and stable democracy in the country.